When I'm tying down my animation, let's say there's a drawing like this. I like everything, but the head seems a little off to me and I want to fix just the head. What I do is I add a new frame after the drawing. I turn on my onion skin and I'll make sure it only shows me the previous drawing. Then on this new frame, I'll start fixing the head and I can actually just freely draw and fix whatever I want to fix. And because this drawing is only going to be a guide, I can actually use construction lines. I can be rough and figure things out without worrying about clean lines. Then I'll go back to my original frame, turn off the onion skin. I'll delete just the head. And then I'll turn the onion skin on. And this time, I'll change these so that it only shows me the drawing afterwards where I made the fixes. And I'll go in and this time I'll start tying it down on the drawing that I was trying to fix in the first place. Same with the mouth. So on the new frame, you can see I figured out the mouth. And then on the original drawing, I'll go back in